Alright, here we go. We got a new one in here. Just for Lil T. Hopefully I can get it done before she gets back from South Carolina. It's alright. It's a 74 Super Beetle. As you can tell, it was yellow. And whenever we're done, it's going to be a lot better. Pretty straight. It's got some stuff, you know. Somebody put that on there. Pretty sure I'm gonna fill that in because it doesn't seal up well. Interior's a little rough, but bottom's pretty clean. I don't really understand why there's a back seat in these cars. I guess there may be enough room for somebody, but and I don't understand why there's a tray back there that you can't get to. I don't get that. 74's got these insanely huge tail lights. Insanely huge tail lights. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing yet. But it's not gonna look like that when I'm done. Owner said it caught on fire right here. And they managed to get it out. It does run, but it's dragging the clutch, so it doesn't run well right now. But it does run. It's cool. It's cool. It's got the typical 4-pan going underneath the battery, which is under the seat. These are cool. Everything, just about everything in this car I like. But I hate that dash. If I can figure out a way to put a metal dash in there, you better believe there will be one. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how easy that is. You can't find that on today's cars. That's what I love about these old cars. And this was a girl named Abby. She got the eyelashes. Looks pretty stupid. These will not be there whenever I'm done. All this trim will not be there whenever I'm done. The stainless around the windows, I believe, is going to be there. That's the only trim I really like, is around the windows. Everything else is coming off. That's it. We're going to get busy tearing her down. I think this is day 3, I think. Working on this fender. Then I'll get that fender and the bumper, and then I'll work on the fuel tank. I got some rust dissolver in there. That'll make for a good coating on the floor. Figured out how I'm gonna do the door panels because they're in need. Ordered some rubber parts. You can see that hole over there. It's time consuming, but there's really not much to this thing. I guess that's why people like to rebuild them, because it ain't much work. Well, it is if you're on a time schedule. See that hole? And I got a couple of these guys. These are going to be difficult, especially right there on that body line. gonna be difficult. But we'll get it. We will get it knocked out. There it is. All right, here I am on the 74 Super Beetle. Haven't got it all buffed out yet. Still color sanding. But I got the rear of it done. Guys put the glass in there, got the seat back in here. Got a battery box built down there with 2 holders for it. A little bit better improvement than what it was. Regular old Lowe's El Cheapo carpet. Here's the headliner. No bows in that one. I put the foam up against the ceiling, put it in place, and then I adhesived it to the headliner to the actual foam. Just like everybody's doing nowadays. So it's gonna look pretty good. I'm trying to figure out what to do for speakers underneath the seat right there, the best way to make that look good. And then I'll put the 5 1/4 back in the doors, but yeah, looks good. I want to do a video for those of you that haven't seen the 73 Super Beetle in a while. So I shaved the turn signals off all the fenders, put turn signals in the bumpers. I think they look pretty cool. The LED turn signals. The headlights have a blue LED halo on them. And it's a LED H4 conversion. This is the inside. I added an actual windshield washer pump to the windshield washer tank. That's pretty cool. Come around to the back. That's the lights. I think it looks pretty cool. That's where the lights used to be in the fenders. I did not do that good of a job, but budget build. Can't get it all perfect. Tail light's pretty cool. It's got a stop on there whenever you push the brake. It lights up with a stop, and then the license plate will go right underneath it. Let's check out the interior. Turn that off. Couldn't get to the dash, plastic dash. One day I may be able to tear it out and put a metal one in there. Got the brand new seat covers with heated seats. There's the settings right there. And a nice console, which I did not do that good of a job of putting vinyl on, but there are cup holders. There are cup holders. new door panels. I haven't put the speakers in there yet, so still got holes. Yeah. There's the interior headliner. Still looks awesome. Yep. And I haven't got to the hood yet, like I said, but that's it. It's gonna look pretty awesome. All right, so it's done. This is where we started at, so this is where I'm gonna finish. Here's the video. Remember what it looked like at the beginning. All the white stuff on the bumper. I just got done color sanding the paint in the hood. Looks a little bit cleaner in there. Need to get wiped out. Added a washer bottle. It's gonna have an electric washer pump. I'm waiting for the new switch to get here. Looks a heck of a lot cleaner in there now though. New lights, purple halo or a blue halo lights, wheels, hood's filled or the top's filled in, and no, it's not perfect by a long shot, but one day I'll have a sheet metal roller and it will be. There's your new doors. There's a new carpet, new seats, heated seats at that. Dash is the same. Got a console for it. Speakers underneath the rear seat. I didn't change the rear seat in it. It's not tore up enough to need to change the rear seat. New carpet all the way around. There's your vinyl top. Marine grade vinyl top for it to stay clean. Door mirrors. I think they look a heck of a lot nicer. Painted drums on the rear. Change the front to disc. Disc brakes in there. It does stop very nice, really does. Shaved lights. Put them in the bumpers. New tips. New front glass. That whole deal right there. I have not dropped the engine to paint the engine well yet, so that's next step. These are new. Still working on these to make sure that they don't get too hot and melt, but if they work, I'll be putting a video online about what those are and how to do that. But that looks a heck of a lot better than what it did, and it's going to continue to get cleaned up, especially whenever I drop the engine. So there it is. My version is not a 74 Super Beetle. It's a 73, early year 73 Super Beetle. Not a 73 and a half, early 73. There it is.